Hi. Welcome to Mobile NCK Reader. My name is Isra. First, please support us by subscribe and activate the bell. Let's start the video after this break. In this video, we show you the new Vivo smartphone. Vivo announced the X60 and X60 Pro last December and followed up with the X60 Pro Plus in January. Now the company has added a new member to the lineup, dubbed Vivo X60T. The Vivo X60T looks similar to the vanilla X60 but comes with the MediaTek Dimensity 1100 SoC under the hood, unlike the Chinese X60 that has an Exynos 1080 chip at the helm and the global X60, which is powered by the Snapdragon 870. Another difference is in the camera department. The X60T sports a triple camera setup co-engineered with Zeiss. It consists of a 48-megapixel primary, 13-megapixel ultra-wide, and 13-megapixel portrait units, with the main camera now using gimbal stabilization, which isn't present on the regular X60. That said, while the Vivo X60 comes in multiple memory configurations, the X60T only has one option, 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The Vivo X60T, built with glass front, glass back, and aluminum frame. What remains the same on the X60 and the X60T is the 6.56 120Hz Full HD plus AMOLED screen protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6, with a fingerprint reader underneath, 32-megapixel selfie camera, 4,300 mAh battery with 33-watt charging, NFC, 5G connectivity. The Vivo X60T, run on Android 11 and model number is V2085A, which comes with Origin OS on top instead of Funtouch OS. The phone measures 159.63 x 75.01 x 7.4 mm and weighs 175 grams. The Vivo X60T is offered in two colors and is available for purchase in China through offline stores for $530. Availability outside China remains unknown. The Mobile NCK Reader team thanks you for watching our videos. Do not forget to subscribe and activate the bell. Thank you and goodbye.